Welcome to my channel.
Vivo Y52 5G 2022 with 48 megapixel triple rear cameras, 5000 mAh battery launched. Price, specifications. Vivo Y52 5G 2022 has been launched in Taiwan as the company's latest model in its Y series lineup. Offered in two different color options, the new Vivo smartphone features a water drop style notch display and has MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC under the hood. The Vivo Y52 5G 2022 has the same design and specifications as the Vivo Y52 5G that made its way to the European market in May last year. Other key highlights of the new phone include 48 megapixel triple rear cameras, 5000 mAh battery, 4GB of RAM, and 128GB of onboard storage. Vivo Y52 5G 2022 price, availability. The newly launched Vivo Y52 5G 2022 price is set at TWD 7,990, roughly 20,400 rupees, for the sole 4GB plus 128GB storage model. It is currently available for purchase in Taiwan in dark night and glacier blue color options. Details about the availability and pricing of Vivo Y52 5G 2022 in other markets including India are yet to be announced. Vivo Y52 5G 2022 specifications. The dual SIM Nano Vivo Y52 5G 2022 runs FunTouch OS 12 based on Android 12 and features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus 1080 by 2408 pixels IPS LCD display. The new handset is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC coupled with 4GB RAM. For optics, Vivo Y52 5G 2022 packs a triple rear camera setup that includes a 48 megapixel primary sensor with an f1.79 lens, a 2 megapixel shooter with an f2.4 lens, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor with an f2.4 lens. For selfies, there is an 8 megapixel selfie shooter at the front with an f2.0 lens. The Vivo Y52 5G 2022 offers 128GB of onboard storage that supports expansion via microSD card. Connectivity options on the Vivo Y52 5G 2022 include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.1, GPS, FM, NFC, USB OTG, and a USB Type-C port. Sensors on board include an e-compass, gyroscope, gravity sensor, light sensor, and distance sensor. It features a fingerprint sensor for authentication. Like the model launched last year, Vivo has packed a 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging on the new Vivo Y52 5G 2022. It measures 163.95 by 75.30 by 8.50 mm and weighs 193 grams.